Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Today I will show you how to recover your Telegram account quickly and safely. First, let's talk about why you might have lost your account. It can happen if your phone number changes or is lost. Someone else may have accessed your account. Your account might also be temporarily locked due to suspicious activity. Now, let's recover it step by step. Open your browser, like Chrome, on your phone or PC. In the search bar, type Telegram support. Tap on the official Telegram support page that appears. Here, you will see a block where you can describe your problem. Briefly explain your situation, for example, lost number or hacked account. Under the description, write your full name. In the email box, write the email link to your Telegram account. Then, enter your phone number in the phone number box. After checking everything carefully, tap Submit. Telegram will review your request and get back to you. This may take some time, so be patient. To avoid future problems, make sure to enable two-step verification in Telegram settings. Keep your email and phone number updated at all times. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.